artificial island that bridge connects to Hong Kong to Macau, and one of the longest bridges over here. When I came from Macau, actually I came from this bridge, then middle of the ocean the bridge disappeared and would go underneath. It was amazing experience. And here's a big Buddha over here, you know, one of the biggest Buddha in Hong Kong. Now it is slowly disappearing in the clouds. And here's the highest mountain in Lantau Island in Hong Kong, and right here I am standing second highest. And here's the Tung Chung city, where you can reach out to Lantau Island from the Hong Kong, from anywhere. Take a train and get here. And this is also part of the Hong Kong airport. They built middle of the ocean, they reclaim the land. And here's the cable car station. See, it became cloudy and my friends are watching the sunset. Beautiful, huh? Oh, look at the bridge disappear in the middle of the ocean actually. The road. And here's a Buddha appearing again. Wow, look at that. Okay, today is May 5th, 2024. Bye bye from Lantau Island, Hong Kong.